You're watching Chris and the Donnas. Hello and welcome to our Grand Princess Hawaiian cruise departure from Los Angeles in front of the Vincent Thomas Bridge. The Super Bowl was being played in Los Angeles the day we left, but it did not impact our departure from the port in San Pedro. Not long after our cruise launched, we sailed by the battleship USS Iowa Museum. We did not have an opportunity to visit the museum, but it is rated as one of the best museums along the Los Angeles waterfront. To learn more about the museum, please visit their website at www.pacificbattleship.com. We have included the web address in the description below. When our ship made it into the open part of the Los Angeles harbor and turned east toward the mouth of the harbor, we were able to view Santa Catalina Island, which lies a little over 20 miles south-southwest of San Pedro. Los Angeles Harbor Lighthouse, also known as Angel's Gate Light, marks our exit from the harbor into the Pacific Ocean. After making our turn around the Los Angeles Harbor Lighthouse, we were able to view the port of Los Angeles, San Pedro, and the rolling hills rising in the background. Looks like we're in for a gorgeous sunset. Sit back and relax as we take it in. Wait, what? Are you kidding me, Grand Princess? Can't you hold off a few more seconds on this turn until the sun sinks into the ocean? I can't believe you did this to us. Oh well, at least we got to see the moon above as a consolation. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, click the red subscribe button below. And keep up with our latest videos by clicking the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out these other videos and we'll see you next time.